fertilizers in your garden. We fertilized the garden before we planted everything with the nutrients that were indicated from our soil tests. And in the case of this particular area, we added some fish bone meal, which is a nitrogen source, but also does have potassium and phosphorus. But onions are very heavy feeders, extremely heavy feeders. So they need to have additional food, and I will send out a chart for each of the crops and what you need to do to fertilize them. But also keeping them weeded, because the weeds eat the nutrients. So we got to keep them weeded, and then we want to side dress them. With onions, by the time they are 6 or 8 inches tall, you need to side dress them. And basically, to side dress, you will, excuse me. Look at the chart that I send out. And after you weed an area, you're going to just sprinkle the appropriate amount down the row, just like this. And you can just water it in. You don't have to work it in necessarily. And because onions are such heavy feeders, we are going to put on this row probably 6 cups of all-purpose fertilizer, and how long is it? No, probably 12 cups of all-purpose fertilizer and 6 cups of bone meal on each of these 2 onion rows.
It's okay to put bone meal on after you plant it?
Yep, it is. Because these rows are, we didn't have a very good survival rate, I want everybody to come and plant some onions. And I know it's going to mix up the varieties, but that's the way it goes. These are Walla Walla Sweets. Where's the Walla Walla Sweet section that we have? Right here.
You're right here.
They're right there. Okay, so let's get those planted, and I'll be talking about, and then we're going to do these. So let's do that, and I'll talk about the next step of side dressing and fertilizing.
Yeah, if we each do 4 feet of weeding.
Yeah, everybody do 4 feet of weeding, and then put some onion sets in. We're going to do the Walla Wallas there, and then we're going to do these onion sets, these little bulbs, farther down.